out visiting the parks. Palmetto Bay Park looked fine. I think that's really about it. It looks like, we've fared very well. I did do a little bit of a drive through into Cutler Bay, and we've definitely fared better than the northern part of Cutler Bay, the southern part of Palmetto Bay. There were some cars that were stuck because the flooding was pretty significant there. So stay safe, stay dry, download the apps, and a Palmetto Bay Connect alarm alert just went out a few moments ago with this exact same update that I'm giving you. That